Efya, are you surprised? I know you would be.
Richard, is that you?
Yeah, it's me.
Tears crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears. Now you realize true love lives beyond disguise. Heart in tears. Calling out your name, but nothing ever stays the same. Heart in tears. Oh, you let it go. Now the pain is all you know. With a gentle flame, saw his heart, not the name. Kinda shining.
What is it?
My prince has finally replied my messages.
Wow, that is great. So when is he coming?
They're coming with my relative less than a week.
Oh, but wait, sis. Have you seen his pictures?
Well, not yet. But we have been talking for some time now. I know his voice. And he wants to surprise me with his looks.
So, what if he comes and he's not handsome enough for you?
Have you ever seen an ugly rich man before? Wait, even if he's ugly, his money will make him look good.
I know, right? Sis, then we need to do general cleaning and tell mom to inform some of our aunties and uncles to come if she can't come.
Yes, you are right. Where is Yankuma?
She's not back from lectures.
Hey, Akura, I'm saying Okukrumo Chepa. Anna, are you a houseboy? No?
It's up to her.
Anyway, how about this though?
Love can hide in simple things.
Oh yeah.
Pride can make a He came with nothing, no gold, no name. Just a humble smile, no pride, no fame. Sleeping on the floor, working through the pain. Still he loved in silence through the shame. She looked away, never saw his heart. Judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling
And
like
what's
the
going
rain.
on? Why are you all cleaning? Better hurry up and join us. Is mom coming home?
Well, my prince is coming next week with his family.
Oh.
Hurry up and go to the kitchen.
Madam, better hurry up and join us. Yeah, I'm dying. I'm coming. I have to eat first.
What you lost, you can't replace. Now you see, but it's too late. Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears,
He said
now you realize.
we should come to his place rather.
But why? Is there any special reason why he wants us to come rather?
Not really, but I think I prefer that. I don't bear better because once they all can be there, so I think it's better we go to his place, see him first. Because so no din can be who hanumwa. Ebiana mempe.
Okay. If you're okay with it, then I'm cool.
And
So, when did he say we should come?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, he has sent me the location and then address. So we will be going tomorrow. And I'm going with you and then Jankuma.
Jankuma.
Yes.
Okay, then I think we should inform her. That girl should just get up and leave for lectures.
But it's too
Tell her
late.
that.
Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears. Now you realize true love lives beyond disguise. Heart in tears, calling out your name, but nothing ever stays the same. Heart in tears. Oh, you let it go. Now the pain is all you
Very
know.
comfortable as I invite the prince. And by the way, when he arrives, please rise.
Told you. He's a big person. Come and
Behold, my prince. Here are your visitors.
Okay, thank you. You are welcome. Efya, are you surprised? I know you would be.
Richard, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
God, it's so nice to see you again.
Nice to meet you.
Sisters, you see, I told you he was not who he was portraying to be, but he didn't mind me. See,
I don't understand. Are you the prince chatting with my sister all this while?
Yes, same person. I came to your house as a poor houseboy because I wanted to test you, Akua. I wanted to know whether you were really what you portray on social media. Whilst I was chatting you, I never revealed myself to you because I was still testing you. Whilst in your house, I realized, Akua, you can't cook. Please don't be offended. So when are you going to cook? For me to eat, to know how good you can cook. Just as beautiful as you are.
Hey, are you okay? You're sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Who are you? Who you want say me kwa kitchen? Enko ye dwane ma wundi. Na won tasting hwe say dress na ma hon fatie na. Hey! O say den say wo fia. Come on, houseboy. You are telling me to go and prepare food for you. Hey. We are sure to be okay.
You can't wash. You can't even clean your own room. Madam, don't you think as a young lady who wants to marry a prince, you should learn how to clean your own room?
What are you insinuating? And who told you I am coming to marry a prince?
That's not necessary for now.
Oh. So, Jankuma has been feeding you information about me, right?
I have made a personal decision. out of the three of you, it is Jankuma that I want to marry. She proved to be a marriage material.
Love can hide in simple things, but pride can make us blind. He came with nothing, no gold, no name, just a humble smile, no pride, no fame. Sleeping on the floor, working through the pain. Still he loved in silence through the shame. She looked away, never saw his heart, judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling like the rain, never knew she caused him pain. Oh, love was standing at your door, but you couldn't see it.
I told you
what you lost, you can't
that ever since that girl was born, every good thing seems to go her way. I saw that the day Mom bought that special doll for me and later gave it to her. But you kept telling me she's our sister, so I shouldn't hit her. Now you've seen it for yourself.
I thought she could not hurt a fly. Little did I know she was going to snatch the most cherished guy in my way.
She is just a snake under grass, and she has finally spilled out her venom.
Jankuma, you are going to swallow your own bitter pill at your happiest moment. Watch your back.
Love can hide in simple things, but pride can make us blind. He came with nothing, no gold, no name, just a humble smile, no pride, no fame. Sleeping on the floor, working through the pain. Still he loved in silence through the shame. She looked away, never saw his heart, judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling like the rain, never knew she caused him pain. Oh, love was standing at your door, but you couldn't see anymore. What you lost, you can't replace. Now you see, but it's too late. Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears, now you realize true love lives beyond disguise. Heart in tears, calling out your name, but nothing ever stays the same. Heart in tears, all you let it go. Now the pain is all you know. Soul with a gentle flame, saw his heart, another name. Kindness shining in her eyes, she could see beyond disguise.